Here I am on West Esplanade. This was a Rite Aid right here. Look at this place. Yep. It's right outside of New Orleans, you know. Looking for the bus stop, you know. Alright. Yeah, they shutting down every damn Rite Aid in the Louisiana, probably all over the United States if they ever had Rite Aid over the United States. Huh. On the bus turn right. Oh, the bus do turn right here. I'm gonna just wait right here for the E5 or E8. Look right here. I probably would have went in there if that was still open. Look right here. E5 and E8. Whichever comes first, I'm getting on. Alright. This is right over here. Right over there. Oh well. At least there's a Wendy's right there. There's Wendy's right there, you see. Alright, that's it.